It's raining. Well, yeah, it's raining and my street is flooded. And I love it. It's horrible. So, but if you can see, like, I don't know. But my window's all wet and I'm not allowed to go outside because the street's flooded. Malcolm, look at the street.
I was out there.
It's flooded.
Brandy and I walked up and down there barefooted.
Ah, nice.
You want to go out there?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
You want to go walk?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm shocked you said that. Alright. Brandy and then the lady across the street, Debbie, she saw us and she came out too and walked barefooted.
Huh.
That was fun.
Do you want to walk or do you want to like?
Walk.
Okay.
Is this camera waterproof?
No, it's not. But it will be good for a little while.